Alright everybody, we're back here. We got the Tomahawk. Look at that bad boy. Anyway, just wanted to show you how thick this steak is. So we're going to go down here. Two and a half inches thick by counting the bone, obviously. It's actually 1 foot and 1 inch long. So there's the Tomahawk. That's what we're going to get to work on next. It's got some great marbling on it. It's a good looking steak. It's bone. What we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to put this on the smoke for a while. And then we're going to finish it off on the Blackstone, get a nice crust on it. But we will make a compound butter next, but I just wanted to give you a smidge of a preview. And we'll try to put the camera up here and show you how big this thing actually is. Obviously it's wide. Good stuff. So we'll be back. Everybody, welcome back. Anyway, for that gargantuan steak, we're going to do a compound butter. So we got 4 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon here of fresh chopped rosemary. 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped garlic. Get all that in there. A little bit of salt. A little bit of fresh cracked pepper. Alright, we're going to do something. Remember our bacon jam from a few episodes ago? I still got some of that left over, it's still good. So we're going to dig deep in there. Put 1 heaping tablespoon of that. And then you just mix it together. Obviously this is room temperature butter. You don't want to be doing this with cold butter. Which you could, but you have to do it in a mixer or whatever. So there you go, and that's our compound butter. Now at this point you could definitely take this, throw it out on a piece of saran wrap or whatever, roll it up and make nice little medallions and throw it on top of your steak, but it doesn't make any difference, it's just going to melt. So it's the same stuff. We're just going to put a big old dollop on our big old steak right before it's done coming off the Blackstone, because that's where we're going to finish it. We're going to smoke it and then we're going to finish it on the Blackstone. So there you go. Bacon jam, garlic, rosemary, compound butter. So from there, we put aside, we bring back the star of the show, which is our delicious Tomahawk chop, and we need to season this beast. So let's get that going right now. So what you need to do to begin with, just go heavy on the kosher salt. And I mean heavy. This is just about 3 inches thick. Get the size. Don't be shy. I mean, a lot of this is going to fall off. You got to make sure you get it good. Get every part. Down here, because you might want to chew on that bone. Alright, take that, cut your board, go around. Put in there a nice thick layer. It needs to be salted well. See that? So here we go. Some pepper, fresh cracked pepper. And the same thing with that. Get it everywhere on there. Don't be shy. You got a lot of meat, but you gotta get seasoned here, so make sure you get a lot of salt and pepper on here. We're gonna let this set for probably about 5 minutes. Actually 10-15. And we'll take it out to the smoker and we'll put a probe in it. And I'm going to probe this thing and smoke it till it is 120, 125. And then I'm going to take it off. And we're going to sear it on the black stone. So there you go. There's our tomahawk. There's the seasonings on it. Nice thick. I'll probably put a little bit more salt on there actually. But next time you see us, we'll be going out to the smoker. So there we go. We got our tomahawk. Got our Traeger. He's up to about 350 right now. What do you think, Jen?
Big.
Can you see all that?
Yeah.
Anyway, so here it goes. We're right in the middle of the Traeger here. And I'm gonna put my probe right in the middle. You don't want to get it back to the bone. You don't want to touch that. You want to get it right in the middle. That should be good right there. And we're gonna set that, and when it reaches 120, 125, then we're gonna pull it off. Alright, so we got our tomahawk going here in the Traeger. We're getting there, last I checked, is around 87, 90 degrees, so it's good there, folks. Doesn't that look delicious? Get some nice color on this. Alright, we'll bring it back. Hey everybody, welcome back. Anyway, we're gonna get this big old tomahawk on the flat top. We're gonna sear it off. It's been smoking. It's up to 125 internal. I just want to get a crust on the outside of it. So that's our mission right here on the Blackstone today. We need some oil for that. We're gonna need tomahawk chop for that. There we go. I'm just gonna let that sit there for a while. The crust. We got a pretty good crust on this side. This is the bottom side that was on the Traeger. So I don't know if I'm gonna do both sides. I probably won't. I'll probably just do this side. Take a little color on it. So the black stone is already stuck. So it's doing the shop. We'll bring you back when it's done. Look at that delicious steak. Get the crust on it, on the Blackstone there. Salt crust on there. I mean, that's probably not one of the best steaks you've seen in your entire life. It's going to be delicious. Alright folks, so we're back. Good to see you. Here's the tomahawk. This is the nice sear we got on it with the Blackstone. Looks delicious. So what we're going to do now, we're going to center there. I'm going to tin it for probably a good 10-15 minutes. It's good on the smoker and then being seared. We want all that juices to come back into that meat. And it really does make a difference. So if you never do that, make sure you do it. So here we go. We're going to cover. We're going to let it reconstitute. I'll bring you back later and we'll cut them up. Alright everybody, so we've had this recipe 5 minutes. But I want to do one other thing. I didn't want to do it on the Blackstone, but I'll do it here. You can see the steam still coming off this. But our bacon jam, rosemary, garlic, compound butter. Now I'm going to put that on. I'm going to put half of it on. I'm going to let it seep. Spread it around a little bit. Let it seep all over it. And we'll save the rest for when it's cut up. We'll put a little bit more on. But right now, put the lid back on it. And I'll see you back in a few. I cannot stress to you how important it is to let this steak rest. I know I said it before, but it has to be done. If you want a perfectly cooked steak, a good steak, you tin it, let it rest. If you don't do it, it's going to go everywhere. Your patience will be rewarded. All right, everybody, welcome back. It did 20 minutes with our tent on here. We're gonna untent the beast there, so to speak. And here we go. So we got our tomahawk. We're going to cutting board like this. So there we have it. You can see the, you're not close enough, but bring it to you. You can see the rosemary, the garlic, the bacon jam, everything on him. There he is. He's been resting. He should be good to go. Alright, so first off, what you want to do, take it down the bone, like so. There you got it. There's your rib bone. And then you're left with the delicious ribeye steak, which is what we got right here. Alright, so we'll take the tail off. Just a little closer. And then we're going to cut her into serving sizes. There's a little angle there. Cook it with smidge. A little bit of that compound butter on there. Finish them off. There you go. Tomahawk ribeye. Have a good one, folks.
I think it'd be a really fun picture to have you take a picture of Harry with that big bone.
Yeah, we could take a picture of that. Yeah, absolutely.
Say what?
The tomahawk's out instead. I brought it over for the dog, but Jill said they don't get bones, so.
Oh.
So that's got a carpet butter with some of that bacon jam that I made the other.
Are you
Garlic,
kidding me?
rosemary.
Do you want
No, I'm not. I can't be civilized here.
It's good.
This is my happy dance.
I would not film that.
Well, he's doing a pretty good job.
Oh my god.
So bacon jam plus what?
Oh my god.
Butter, rosemary, and garlic. Salt,
Oh, this
pepper.
has to be eaten right now.
Smells amazing. I can't have butter and I can't have meat, but I'm gonna smell.
No,
You can't meat at all?
Well, not beef.
Oh, okay. But you can do pork and
And chicken.
chicken.
So no, you really might need to have a small bite.
That's the full bite.
Come on in.
Come in.
Hey, Harry. There's a little Harry right there.
Well, I smelled you grilling, Corey. I didn't know what it was.
Well, I smoked it, and then I finished it on the black stove. I put a crust on it on the black stove. I overcooked it just a little bit, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I overbaked it a little bit, but
No.
it's still delish.
Oh no, baby. No, this
You probably
is.
just need a spoon.
I gotta tell you
Like
something.
butter with a butter knife, right?
Here, this is tacky.
You drying out a bag?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The sweetness of the bacon jam, I think, really kicks it, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my god.
Yep.
Whatever you guys do this recipe.
There you go. That part. But he's getting into the
The connective tissue.
yeah, he's getting into the nitty gritty of it.
Yep. Oh yeah.
It's what dogs love.
Yeah.
Nitty gritty.
What do you think, Harry? That good stuff?
Well, I gotta tell you, this beats what I did.
Oh, we're starting to get the paw up there.
He's gonna. Oh, there we go. I guess you're getting the bone anyway, Harry. Bobby said no to begin with, but oh, he had a scrap there.
Here,
Maybe it's too heavy for him.
It's a big bone for a little dog. What is he? 12 pounds soaking
He's
wet?
almost 20.
No, you look.
Yeah, is he
you're
20?
21.
Yeah. Okay, he's 21.
Way bigger than Milton. That he's 2 times the size Milton was.
Well, 20 because that includes the leash. That's a heavy leash.
Oh, Harry.
He's like, oh, Corey, thank you.
He's
Give Corey a kiss.
always a star, aren't you, Harry? Yeah.
Kiss.
He's like, Mom, just give.
Oh, you're taking the bone away. Oh, I took it away.
Did Barbie
Give it
take
to
your
me.
bone away, Harry?
Give it to me, Mom. He wants the other end. He wants this end, the good end.
The BT end.
He's like, this one. I want this one. I want this. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Your video better not be 20 minutes of a dog licking a bone. That's gonna be
Yeah,
That's something.
yeah, that would not be good.
You know how many dogs?
I don't know. Harry could probably get me some
hold on.
subscribers. He is a
He
cute.
could be your star.
He is a cute little dude. Look at that.
95% of my Facebook is dogs.
Oh yeah.
Look at him.
New York Times and dogs.
Jill, you got a problem on your
That's all
hands.
there is.
I know.
That's all
I shouldn't have brought that over. You should have just left it out there.
Should've left it on the front porch
And you like get a dog.
with a raccoon.
Get a dog.
Not with big cats.